The notion of consciousness is deeply intertwined with the fact that humans possess physical bodies, which, according to the existentialist philosopher Merleau-Ponty, allows for inner subjective experience. Merleau-Ponty emphasized that our bodies are not mere objects, but are fundamental to consciousness. We don't just have bodies, we are bodies. Our subjective experience, perceptions, and the way we interact with the world are deeply tied to our embodied experience and existence. Heidegger has a take on this too. He has a concept of thrownness, emphasizing that humans are thrown into the world with a pre-existing set of circumstances and possibilities. This means that our consciousness arises from our existence in the world, with our bodies as a central part of that existence. Our consciousness is not detached from our physical being, it emerges from our embodied interactions with the world. What about robots? Well, when it comes to robots and AI, although they can mimic behaviors that seem to resemble aspects of consciousness, these behaviors are generated by algorithms and programmed responses. They lack the underlying awareness and comprehension associated with genuine human consciousness. This isn't simply a matter of complexity in the computer code and the design. It's a fundamental distinction. So consider AlphaGo Zero. This is the AI designed to play the game of Go. While it excels at playing Go due to its ability to create move policies from a vast dataset of previously played games, it operates within the realm of what computers excel at, processing data and following predefined rules. It doesn't possess an innate desire or will to play Go. It's been explicitly instructed to do so. That's the difference. So this highlights this key difference between machines and humans. Humans possess desires, motivations, and a will to pursue various goals in a nuanced and flexible manner. When a person decides to play Go, it may be driven by a variety of factors: interest, tradition, even curiosity. At every step of the process, the human is making choices amidst competing priorities. The ability to autonomously choose and persist in a particular pursuit, driven by personal will and desires, sets humans apart from machines. Machines, in contrast, follow predetermined instructions and lack the intrinsic capacity to autonomously determine their goals or motivations.